Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to make Google Chrome use less RAM and improve its performance. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left menu, click on Performance. Turn on Energy Saver. This can help reduce Chrome's resource usage, especially when your battery is low. Next, find the Preload Pages option and turn it off. This prevents Chrome from loading pages in the background, which can save memory. Now go to the System section. Turn off Continue Running Background Apps when Google Chrome is closed. This stops Chrome from using RAM after you've exited the browser. If you're troubleshooting high memory usage or graphics-related issues, you can also turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After changing this setting, restart Chrome for the change to take effect. Next, go to the Extensions page. Remove or disable any extensions that you don't use. Too many extensions can increase Chrome's memory usage and slow down your browser. After making these changes, restart Google Chrome. You should notice better performance and lower RAM usage while browsing. And that's it. That's how you can make Google Chrome use less RAM on your computer. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.